Okay, so my new LITELOK X1 D-Lock has arrived, so just going to do the unboxing. I pulled it straight out the plastic packaging, and this is the box it comes in. Open it up. Looks like it comes in a nice case here. It's quite a heavy bit. Okay, little note from the makers, and then the lock itself. Take it out the sleeve. Okay, here's the lock. First impression, it's heavy, feels pretty sturdy. Baronium. Okay, and then you get the key, I would assume is in this packet here. Yep, there you go. 2 keys. And then there's like a rubber kind of entrance there. Simple twist. And there we have it. There it is. Feels pretty sturdy. It's definitely going to be better than the lock that I currently have. So yeah, going to cut now to a demo of it actually on my bike, see what it fits around. So here's the lock opened in my hand, and I'm just going to show you some places on the bike where you could potentially put this lock. So what I found is best for me is if I go through both discs like this. And it also goes through the arch of the wheel. So if anyone cuts the discs, they still got to get through the wheel as well. And also it means if they pick the bike up from the rear and try and push it, it's not going to be able to go anywhere. That works pretty well. Also on the front, it goes over the tyre as well. Just no damage to the rim because it's coated in like this rubber coating. I've managed to get a 12mm chain over it as well. So if you wanted to do through the back and then chain it up, you can do that as well. Doesn't go through the sprocket. So yeah, you can't lock it through there. Also, it can go around the swing arm. So that'll work doing that. And also I found through the frame as well, if I wanted to. Yeah, very versatile. Lots of ways to lock it up. Put it to good use.
Drop it down, pick Shake it up, suka, shake it off. Let it go, cry a bit, throw it, smack it, scream it. C'est la vie, drink a whiskey, suka, shake it off. Move along, no time to think. No time to think.